I feel very curious about other people's cultures. Growing up among so many different cultures, trying to introduce my own culture, I think it's giving me sort of an insight on how to be sensible to other people's stories and how to consider what are the best ways to give them a voice.
I'm Sam Lagos. I'm based in Miami, Florida. I am a photographer, street photographer more specifically, a graphic designer, and an aspiring filmmaker.
As a first generation American, one of my obstacles growing up was learning English as a second language, being in the education system and trying to learn everything I could, but also trying not to forget where I come from. So I think that definitely took a big role in me becoming a street photographer. To be more sensible with visual symbolisms like colors and composition, and be able to know that I was putting those details in my photos because there were clues to help the viewer understand the story I was trying to tell. My project evolved out of that. I felt so excited when I discovered that idea. I want to be able to teach other people how to do the same exact thing, how to include more intentional techniques into their photos. So it's not just a beautiful photo, but it's an intentional photo. And it's a medium of communication.